Smart lock installation video. Front lock, handle, rear lock gasket, lock core bag, handle fixing screw, battery, screw, square pole, tail ruler, mouth pin, spring coil, card. The first step is to install the handle, which should be installed according to the direction of the door opening at home. Align the hole and tighten the handle fixing screw. If the handle needs to be changed direction, remove the screw and turn the handle direction. Then tighten the handle screw again. Install the locking screw tube before installation. Tighten with pliers. Install the tail ruler, insert the split pin, and then fold the split pin with pliers. Rotate the tail ruler to ensure that it does not scratch the motor. Insert spring. Install lock body. Tighten the screw. Install the lock cylinder with the keyhole facing outward. Align the hole and tighten the screw. Open the rear lock battery compartment cover. Install the front lock and thread the wires through the door opening. Thread the wire through the rear locking gasket. The screw cannot exceed 2 centimeters beyond the outdoor door edge. If it exceeds the limit, it needs to be cut to the appropriate size. Align the hole and tighten the screw. Adjust the front and rear lock washers. Tighten the screws again. The tail ruler cannot exceed 2 centimeters beyond the outdoor door edge. Exceeding the required size and cutting to the appropriate size. The square pole cannot exceed the outdoor door edge, and if it exceeds, it needs to be cut. Insert square rod. Connect the front and rear lock wires. Install the lock and align it with the lock cylinder, tail ruler, and square rod hole positions. Tighten the locking screw after tightening. Install the battery and cover the battery box cover. Installation completed.